but there are violence against African immigrants going on right now. Is that issue resolved in South Africa? Rio, the problem is with the African immigration. Is there is a lot of African people flocking into South Africa. And at the end of the day, what happens is all this African people that flocking into South Africa are getting jobs. They're getting the work because labor for them is cheaper than the employer will employ them because they found out to pay these people from Africa will cost them less money when they pay them out a salary. At the end of the day, it creates a friction between South Africans and foreigners because South Africans don't get work.